Listen guys, we use much with uncountable nouns. We use much with uncountable nouns. Whenever we have uncountable nouns which we cannot count, we always use much with them. So we have many. So we use many with countable nouns. We use many with countable nouns which we can count. Whenever we have countable nouns, we use many with them. So we have some questions. So our first question is, how blank lemons? So here we have lemons. Lemon is a countable noun. So whenever we have countable noun, we use many. How many lemons? Our second question is, how blank tomatoes? Again, tomato is a countable noun. So whenever we have countable noun, we use many. How many tomatoes? Third question is, how blank fruit juice? Much or many? Here, fruit juice is an uncountable noun. We cannot count fruit juice. So whenever we have uncountable nouns, we use much with them. So here we have how much fruit juice. Our fourth question is, how blank oil? Again, oil is an uncountable noun. So our answer will be how much oil. How much oil? Our fifth question is, how blank honey? So again, honey is an uncountable noun. So our answer will be how much honey. How much honey? Our sixth question is, how blank eggs? So here, eggs is a countable noun. So what will come in this blank? Tell me in the comments below. And if you like this session, click the like, subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.